What are the ingredients in Oreo cream?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a beloved cookie secret, the Oreo. More specifically, we'll focus on the creamy white filling that makes an Oreo an Oreo. Ever wondered what's in it? Let's find out.
What is the Oreo cream made of?
The cream in the middle of the Oreo cookie is not actually cream at all. Surprise! It's mainly a mixture of sugar, palm and or canola oil, high fructose corn syrup, soy lecithin, and artificial flavor. The final ingredient, vanillin, gives the cream its distinctive vanilla flavor. 1. Sugar. This is the primary ingredient and the main source of the cream's sweetness. 2. Palm and or canola oil. These are the fats that give the cream its smooth, creamy texture. 3. High fructose corn syrup, another sweetener that complements the sugar and contributes to the cream's overall flavor. 4. Soy lecithin. This is an emulsifier that helps combine the fat and water-based ingredients into a stable mixture. 5. Artificial flavor. This typically refers to vanillin, a compound that provides a vanilla-like flavor.
Is there any dairy in the cream?
Despite its creamy texture, there's actually no dairy in Oreo cream. This fact contributes to the Oreo cookie's status as a vegan treat, at least according to some interpretations. However, it's important to note that Oreo's manufacturer, Mondelez International, has stated that while the cookies don't contain milk, they are produced on equipment that also processes milk. Therefore, cross-contamination may occur, which could be a concern for people with severe dairy allergies or strict dietary preferences. So there you have it. The Oreo cream is a clever blend of ingredients designed to mimic the texture and taste of vanilla cream without containing any dairy. It's a testament to food science and an essential part of what makes an Oreo, well, an Oreo. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new and interesting about your favorite cookie.